This was me 2 years ago when I was going through severe hair loss. And now I'm in my 40s, I have the best hair of my life, and here is my routine. So this is our new stem cell shampoo from our stem cell collection. Put a couple of pumps, just about that amount there. Add a little bit of water, and then you're gonna start in at the nape of the neck and then work up to the crown like that. Really focusing on that whole center of the head and around the temples. And also you'll feel like a tingly sensation. What I love about this shampoo is it has the stem cells which really help with that cell rejuvenation, that stimulation. And then we have caffeine in just to help improve that blood flow. So now I'm gonna rinse off. I've already done my double cleanse with the stem cell shampoo. So the next step is our stem cell conditioner. This is a super lightweight conditioner. It has our apple stem cells and it has metafoam seed oil to help repair and hydrate the ends. And now rinse out. So final step is our 3% stem cell peptide treatment. Apply this directly, throughout the scalp like that in targeted areas, maybe around the hairline you have a little bit more hair loss, or through the parting. And what I love about this product, it's so easy to use. It's got our H3 Grow Complex in it. Also has stem cells, peptides, caffeine, ginseng, all working together to stimulate the scalp and really create a healthy environment for your hair to grow. And so this is the final look. It just looks thicker, fuller, there's more volume. It looks super healthy and I love it.